Combiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Karan and today in this video I am going to tell you about renewal of fire NOC. The fire department of the respective state grants the fire NOC after examining an applicant's premises for the safety compliance. Fire NOC applies to any premises or any multi-story establishment having an overall height of more than 15 meters. Before granting the NOC, the department concerned performs a thorough inspection process. Such a process would ensure that the premise meets the underlying fire safety provisions. Provisional NOC is issued to the applicant during the pre-construction stage, and the final NOC is issued by the fire department after the construction is finalized. The fire NOC holder needs to keep the lab on the expiry of the same and renews it periodically to avoid penalties. Fire NOC renewal is as important as seeking a new certificate. So who can apply for NOC? Number one is residential apartments, commercial establishments, industrial buildings, cinema halls, special economic zones, universities, colleges and schools. Now I will tell you some important documents required for the renewal of fire NOC. Number one is duly filed application form. Second one is self-declaration printed on plain paper. Third one is photo ID proof such as passport, voter ID and Aadhaar card. Fourth one is copy of the register of fire extinguisher installed at the premise. Fifth one is photos of all fire prevention systems and setback or marginal open spaces as a proof. Sixth one is annual certificate to be provided by the owner for the maintenance of the firefighting and life safety norms as per format. Seventh one is annual certificate issued by the fire contractor or agency relating to the maintenance of firefighting systems as per format. Eighth one is copy of final NOC granted by the respective fire department. Ninth document is building stability certificate. 10th one is checklist approved by the architect. 11th one is photos of the establishment. 12th one is lift inspection certificate. Fire resistance door installation approval. 14th is challan of DG sets. 15th is commencement certificate secured from the building permission section. 16th is work finalization declaration from the builder or developer. Now let's discuss the procedure to apply for fire NOC renewal. First step is file online application. First, the applicant needs to file an e-form relating to fire NOC renewal. This form is available on the fire department portal, which can be accessed after completing the login formalities. Make sure to fill out the form to the best of your knowledge. Any errors could lead to the cancellation of the renewal application. Second step is submission of required documents. Here the applicant needs to upload the documents as requested in the supported file format. Third step is inspection by the department. After application and document submission, the fire department conducts the inspection process. The authority may reject the application upon finding any error in the submitted documentation. And the last step is approval of application. The status of submitted application shall be reflected on the portal's dashboard. Any query raised by the inspecting department will be duly shared. The applicant is responsible to respond to such query in the prescribed time frame. Upon successful vetting of the applicant's response, the authority shall issue the renewed fire certificate. Also remember that in case of delay in renewal of fire NOC, some charges should be levied. Number one is ₹5 per day penalty in case of delay for more than 7 to 15 days. And second one is ₹15 per day in case of delay above 15 days. At the end, fire NOC renewal is as vital as filing a new application with the respective fire department. It's time-bound. Renewal helps the licensee to maintain uninterrupted adherence to standards enacted by the fire department. Penalties shall be imposed on those who seek to breach this requirement. So that's it for today. For more updates, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.